Hello and welcome to Craftworks. Today I'm going to show you this technique. I don't really have a name for it. I'm just going to blend two colours together and make a silhouette. So what we're going to use is 3 ink pads. I'm using Misty Moonlight, Pool Party and Black. I've got my top layer here. So I'm just going to use post-it notes. I'm going to use the grid paper to line this up. I think I'm going to put that there. The nice thing about post-it notes is you can use them again and again. Right, I'm just going to get my stamp out just to make sure that it fits in that box. And it does. Brilliant. The stamp set I'm using is Free as a Bird. So I'm going to start with the darker colour at the bottom, and I'm just going to dab it in the ink, but I'm going to start on the post-it note and then push that colour out. I'm just doing circular motions. And I'm just going to keep going until I get the effect that I want. And now I'm going to change my ink and I'm going to use Pool Party. And this time I'm going to start from the top, exactly the same way, and blend that colour in. And my post-it note just moved there, did you see that? Just like that. I'm just going to go over a little bit just to make sure it blends quite nicely. So that's that. Pop these inks away for the minute because we don't need them again. So take these off. And this is what we're left with. So now I'm just going to position this onto a stamping platform. This isn't actually Stampin' Up's platform. I'd love to have that one, but I don't have it at the moment. The Stampin' Up platform has a plate that comes this way, so, and it is just fabulous. Okay. Now I'm just putting black ink onto that and press that down. And then all I'm going to do is go over this with a Sharpie because I want to make it a silhouette. You can leave it like that if you'd like to. I'm not going to colour it all in because it'll be a bit boring for you. But once you've coloured it all in, you mount it to the card. I've used Misty, what's it called? Misty Moonlight card base, which matches the ink. And that's the end result. So have a look, have a go, please. And I'd really love it if you tried this technique and sent me some of the pictures of what you made. You can use pretty much any stamper tool for this. It's so versatile, any colours. And I just really enjoyed just having a little play, making a little bit of a mess. Thanks for watching. Bye.